Hello and welcome to Train to Success. Today we present you snippet reminders for 5 gateways to design thinking. Do you know what design thinking is? Well, design thinking is an iterative process. You have to understand the users and their pain and assume their challenges. Design thinking is the ability to redefine problems and create alternative solutions that makes the user happier. You can use design thinking at various platforms. Here, it is used in a platform where superior solutions are welcome, like in businesses, manufacturing, tech companies, or social services and government bodies, or even in solving personal problems. Let's see what benefits we get from design thinking. Designing thinking helps us think outside the box and helps us solve complex problems. It even leverages and creates empathy with the users. It also creates desirable solutions. It is a catalyst for change and it helps increase productivity and also delivers emotional value. Design thinking also makes things easier. There are 5 gateways of design thinking. Let's have a look at them. Context, current, target, gap, and solution. First is the context gateway. Context gateway can rise out of several situations and it gives us the opportunity to leverage new technology. It alters the structure and evolves a process and uses a new resource. If any problems arise, you can seek solution through context gateway. Next is the current situation gateway. There is pain in using this because it is complex and not easy to use. And so legacy or old solutions should be continued. Although they are not leveraging fully and you get a partial solution, even the user experience is poor. There are many complaints in current solution gateway. Now comes the target gateway. In target gateway, faster solutions have to be acquired and they need to be more productive solutions with better user experience and better throughput. It is less complex and consists new platforms. The target gateway is easy to use. Next in the line is the gap gateway. Gap gateway is compared to competing entities. Although it does not have much potential, it has a higher possibility. But it is too low or slow. Although it has user experience and is technology-led and even materials-led. Finally comes the solution gateway. With solution gateway, new ways are possible. It is not tried or used before avenues, but it is tech-led, innovation-led, resource-led, and is cloud or mobile or app-based. Solution gateway is most efficient gateway. Now, let's look at what opportunities we get from design thinking. They are hypothesis, stakeholder needs, assumptions examined, knowledge from data gathered, current state analysis, target state examined, analysis discoveries, recommendations, aspirations. Here are a few typical pathways for design thinking. First is fog, where you get lost in the details. Then comes focus, where you need to focus and narrow the options. Last is algorithm, where you need to define the process. Now let's see the different stages of design thinking. Stage 1. Define the problem statement. Identify a gap that has to be covered. Then create a definition of the problem. See if the definition fills in the gap and at the same time, see whether the gap has been fixed by the definition. If not, then iterate further. Stage 2. Ideate on solutions. For one problem, it is always good to have at least 3 alternative solutions. Ask yourself which is the best, which is optional, which gives you an edge, which is workable, and which is a better user experience. Stage 3. The chosen solutions are as follows. You must have a clear edge over the existing solutions and must leverage something like tech or online, etc. Most importantly, you must remove a pain and result in a gain. Think of a solution that helps you improve the reach, do faster and or better and or easier. Always keep in mind that you must solve a problem and it must deliver a better result. It should be easy to use and have ease of use. And ask yourself, what problem are you solving? Why is it important? To whom is it important? Stage 4. Prototype. You will have a top solution and you will have a prototype. Check whether the solution has an innovative prototype or whether the creative prototype is a top solution. If not, iterate. Stage 5. Test. Now you have a prototype and the results. See if it works well and also if it does solve the problem. If not, iterate. These are the different stages of iterations where you'll have a lot of feedback at various levels. This is valuable to make the solution better. Some sign-off slide or wrap-up. For more snippet reminders, please visit www.traintosuccess.in.